let's see what we got as far as any one gap Yelp to the downside. Pull that in for us.
Yeah, so the lingo folder, the lingo is more the verbiage that I use. So when I say hit the bid, look the
It's already, wow, that is a weird looking
like I said,
open there.
The Word doc is what you want to
They've taken back that entire gap. I don't know if that was an actual print down there. To the upside, we can look at Workday and Roku.
Okay, what you're talking about is the end result of that.
Workday's probably going to be a little bit tough.
A buy signal will look.
It's come back quite a bit. We'll tighten that up later, but I want to get it set. And then Roku continues on its march. Man, there's no stopping that thing, huh?
If that doesn't make sense, I just also want to verify.
All right, those are the only ones that we have.
If that doesn't make sense, I have to spend a little bit of time just kind of explaining it.
All right, so let's see what we got here. Markets falling off, feeling a little bit of pressure since we opened up a grand minute ago.